Welcome back, guys. This is the 2-week update and also being the second wash in our new 30-way subscriber requested ceramic coatings longevity test. These early washes are pretty important as it's usually indicative of how these products will generally fare. The spring and the summertime temperatures have definitely arrived, along with our springtime rain and storms as well. You can see this hood before I wash it was around 145 degrees Fahrenheit or about 63 degrees Celsius. So very warm. The traditional carnauba waxes have a melting point of around 179 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're still not to where even that would fail, but we're starting to get there. So 2 weeks and we're already having quite a challenge thrown at these. And as you can see on your screen here, we've also had a decent amount of rain the first 2 weeks as well. So with that out of the way, now we're gonna foam this hood down using Chemical Guide's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and of course rinse it off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. And after we do inspect everything, stick around to the end as I will turn this hood sideways or horizontal, and we'll throw a regular garden hose on it and see how things react, if there's any difference there as well. And so if you've got a minute, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've used any of the products seen here, or if you're rooting for any of them. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. First up, Malco Cherry Flash. Well, my dog keeps wanting to chase my pressure washer stream. Malco. All right, Lulu. Let me put her away. Figured you guys would get a kick out of that. Malco Cherry Flash, looking pretty poor. That is the dealership standard wax. Simonized diamond plate looking good. Tech 585 graphene, also looking great. Kamikaze ISM Coat 2.0, very hydrophobic. Black Rhino Advanced, still very hydrophobic, but maybe not quite as much as Kamikaze. And Progi Ceramic, purchased off of Amazon, doing okay, but not great. Classy, even less so. Malco Epic Ceramic Coating, and this dog will not give it up. All right, let me put her away. Malco Epic Ceramic, looking okay, not quite as hydrophobic as Naziol ZR53. Nanobond 9H, still looking all right. TAC Moonlight looking very hydrophobic, especially when you compare it to Nanobond right next to it. Definitely looks a little more hydrophobic, but still okay. Envy Nova Evo and Envy Pro looking good. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro, less hydrophobic than the others. Sonex Hybrid Tech Wax, still looking good. Blackfire Pro Black, very similar to Adams, looking good. Oberk Defense Gel, not looking super hydrophobic. Glossit Graphene DIY, that is a new coating, still looking good. Geon Pure Evo, One Evo, and MOHS Evo, all three of those looking very hydrophobic. FaneLab Ceramic Light, looking good. Adams Advanced Graphene, looking good. And Flitz Ceramic Spray, looking good. Next 5, Art to Shine, A-Icon, Hybrid Coat, Nano Graphene, Graphene BX, all of those looking very hydrophobic. Pretty impressive products. This is my first experience other than using SPS Graphene and the Apex Detail product, which is made by them as well. But the Graphene Detailer, very hydrophobic as well, and Black Rhino Graphics. So not a whole lot of surprises in the grand scheme of things so far, but what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna change the hood to a horizontal position, and then I'll throw some water on it and let's see how things act now. So a lot of you guys asked to see this angle, so here it is, without a pressure washer, just a regular hose and water. Simonized diamond plate, extremely hydrophobic. Tech 585 graphene, Kamikaze 2.0. I'll just sit back, I'll shut up, you guys can be the judge. one more angle here, just standing it back up how it was. Very similar results to the pressure washer. So there's your update. 2 weeks, changed the angle for you guys so you could see. Thoughts, suggestions, opinions, let me know in the comments. Be sure to check out the spreadsheet in the video description if you want to find out more about all these products, or as always, if you would like to purchase any of them, links are in the video description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.
What I want in this place, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down myself.